Tutor! Hello children! Are you ready for an English quiz? Let's start. I see a cat. Blank is fat. I see a cat. Blank is fat. A, she. B, he. C, it. Children, the correct answer is C, it. I see a cat. It is fat. The cat blank sleeping. The cat blank sleeping. A is. B are. C am. The correct answer is A is. The cat is sleeping. We blank going to school. We blank going to school. A is. B are. C am. Children, the correct answer is B are. We are going to school. Children, look at this picture. Blank is my bag. Blank is my bag. A, this. B, that. C, those. The correct answer is A, this. This is my bag. Children, look at this picture. Blank ball is mine. Blank ball is mine. A, this. B, that. C, those. The correct answer is B, that. That ball is mine. I have blank apple. I have blank apple. A, am. B, a. C, an. Children, the correct answer is C, an. I have an apple. Ben is my friend. Blank is kind. Again, Ben is my friend. Blank is kind. A, she. B, he. C, it. The correct answer is B. He. Ben is my friend. He is kind. Anna is singing. Blank is happy. Anna is singing. Blank is happy. A. She. B. He. C. It. The correct answer is A. She. Anna is singing. She is happy. Which word is a noun? A. Run. B. Ball. C. Sad. The correct answer is B. Ball. Which word is a verb? Which word is a verb? A. Jump. B. Kid. C. Cat. The correct answer is A. Jump. Which word is an adjective? Which word is an adjective? A. Big. B. Dog. C. Cat. The correct answer is A. Big. What is the opposite of big? What is the opposite of big? A. Tall. B. Huge. C. Small. Children, the correct answer is C. Small. The opposite of big is small. What is the opposite of happy? What is the opposite of happy? A. Mad. B. Glad. C. Sad. The correct answer is C. Sad. What is the opposite of clean? What is the opposite of clean? A. Neat. B. Dirty. C. Tidy. The correct answer is B. Dirty. Which word rhymes with bake? Which word rhymes with bake? A. Late. B. Same. C. Cake. Children, the correct answer is C. Cake. Bake cake. Which word rhymes with big? Which word rhymes with big? A. Dig. B. Kid. C. Seed. The correct answer is A. Dig. Big dig. The rabbit is fast. Fast means blank. The rabbit is fast. Fast means blank. A. Slow. B. Quick. C. Wick. The correct answer is B. Quick. Fast means quick. The little girl is happy. Happy means blank. The little girl is happy. Happy means blank. A. Glad. B. Upset. C. Tired. Children, the correct answer is A. Glad. Happy means glad. Which word is a proper noun? Children, which word is a proper noun? A. Teacher. B. Church. C. Emma. The correct answer is C. Emma. What is the plural form of child? Again, what is the plural form of child? A. Children. B. Childs. C. Children's. The correct answer is A. Children. The plural form of child is children. Children, did you get all the correct answers? Great job! Thank you for watching, children. See you on our next quiz.